Top 3 shocking reasons your legs are paining and how to fix it. Have your legs been hurting lately and you just can't figure out why? It's not always age. It's not always fatigue. In fact, the real reason could be something far more serious or shockingly simple. From hidden nerve damage to silent artery blockages, your leg pain might be trying to tell you something your doctor hasn't yet uncovered. In this video, we're breaking down the top 3 shocking reasons your legs are paining, and more importantly, how to fix each one naturally. Every fact in this video has been verified by licensed health researchers, so you're not just getting guesses, you're getting science-backed answers that could change everything. And trust me, you'll want to stick around, because near the end, I'll reveal one little-known mineral deficiency that's behind millions of leg cramps and aches worldwide, and how one simple change can stop that pain overnight. Let's dive in. Your legs are counting on it. Number 1, blocked arteries, Peripheral Artery Disease, PAD. Hey, let's talk about something that's not only shocking, but often overlooked. Leg pain that's actually caused by blocked arteries. Yes, you heard that right. If you've been feeling tightness, cramping, or a burning ache in your legs, especially when you walk or climb stairs, but then it goes away when you rest, it could be something far more serious than just old age or muscle fatigue. This condition is called Peripheral Artery Disease, or PAD for short. And here's the kicker. It's not really about your legs. It's actually about your blood flow. See, PAD happens when plaque, fatty deposits made up of cholesterol, calcium, and other substances, starts building up in the arteries that carry blood to your legs. Over time, these arteries narrow, making it harder for oxygen-rich blood to reach your leg muscles. That's why you feel pain when you walk. The muscles are literally starved for oxygen. Imagine trying to jog while holding your breath. That's how your legs feel with PAD. Now here's something that might surprise you. PAD isn't just a leg problem. It's a warning sign. If the arteries in your legs are blocked, there's a high chance the arteries in your heart or brain are narrowing too. That means a higher risk of heart attack or stroke. So that leg pain, it might be your body's early cry for help. But here's the good news. PAD is treatable and sometimes even reversible if caught early. One of the best things you can do right now? Start walking. Yep, good old-fashioned walking. Even if it hurts a little at first, walking regularly helps improve blood flow and trains your muscles to use oxygen more efficiently. Just 30 minutes a day, 5 times a week, can make a real difference. Next, take a look at your plate. Add more leafy greens, berries, nuts, fatty fish, and whole grains, foods that support artery health, and cut back on fried, salty, and overly processed meals. If you smoke, I'll be honest with you, quitting is non-negotiable. Smoking damages your blood vessels faster than almost anything else. And don't forget to get checked. A simple, painless test called the ankle brachial index can measure the blood pressure in your legs and compare it to your arms. It tells your doctor right away if there's a blockage. So if your legs are hurting and it feels like something's not quite right, don't ignore it. PAD can be serious, but with the right steps, you can slow it down, manage it, and take control of your health again. Your legs deserve better blood flow, and so does your heart. Keep walking forward, friend. Number 2, pinched nerves in the lower back, sciatica. All right, let's move on to another surprising cause of leg pain, and this one might really catch you off guard. It's not actually in your legs at all, it's in your lower back. Yep, I'm talking about a pinched nerve, specifically the sciatic nerve, and this condition is known as sciatica. Now, if you've ever felt a sharp, burning, or shooting pain that travels down your buttocks, through the back of your leg, and maybe even into your foot, you know exactly what I mean. It might start as a dull ache in your lower back, but when that nerve gets irritated, oh boy, it can light up your entire leg like an electric wire. So, what's actually going on here? Well, your sciatic nerve is the largest nerve in your body. It starts in your lower spine and branches down each leg. If one of the discs in your spine gets herniated or your vertebrae shift just a little out of place, they can put pressure on that nerve. That pressure causes inflammation, pain, and sometimes even numbness or weakness. What's tricky is that you might not feel much back pain at all. Instead, your leg becomes the messenger, crying out with pain even though the real trouble is in your spine. Now here's the empowering part. You can absolutely take steps to ease and even fix this. Start with gentle stretching. One of the most effective moves is called the piriformis stretch. Just lie on your back, cross one leg over the other, and gently pull the opposite knee toward your chest. You'll feel a stretch deep in your glutes. That's where the sciatic nerve often gets trapped. Another big one is posture. How you sit matters more than you think. Try to avoid slouching or sitting for long hours. Use a chair that supports your lower back, and every 30 minutes, stand up, walk around, or do a light stretch. Heat and ice can also help. Use an ice pack in the first few days if the pain is sharp, and later switch to heat to relax the muscles. Just 15 to 20 minutes at a time can work wonders. And let's not forget, movement is medicine. Walking, swimming, and low-impact exercises like yoga can help relieve pressure on the nerve by keeping your spine aligned and your muscles flexible. In more persistent cases, physical therapy can be a game changer. A trained therapist can help strengthen the muscles around your spine, take pressure off the nerve, and guide you through proper movements that protect your back long term. And if you're worried about needing surgery, don't panic. Most people with sciatica recover without surgery. It just takes consistency, patience, and the right daily habits. So if that leg pain is nagging you, and especially if it's running down the back of your thigh or calf, don't ignore it. The problem might not be your leg at all. It could be a quiet little pinch in your lower back. Listen to your body, move gently, and take care of your spine. Relief is not just possible, it's likely if you give your body the support it needs. Number 3, electrolyte imbalance. Low magnesium or potassium. Okay, here's something you might never expect. Your leg pain could be coming from something as simple and as fixable as low magnesium or potassium. Yep, we're talking about an electrolyte imbalance, and believe me, it can sneak up on anyone. Now, I know electrolyte imbalance sounds like a complicated medical term, but don't worry, I'll break it down for you in plain, simple language. Electrolytes are tiny minerals in your body, like magnesium, potassium, calcium, and sodium, that help your muscles contract, your nerves fire, and your heart beat at a steady rhythm. Think of them as the spark plugs of your body. Without the right balance, things start misfiring. Muscles cramp, legs ache. You feel weak, twitchy, or even get those strange nighttime Charlie horses that make you leap out of bed in pain. Well, let's focus on magnesium and potassium because those are two of the most common culprits behind leg pain. Magnesium helps your muscles relax. Without enough magnesium, your muscles stay tense and can cramp up suddenly, especially in your calves or thighs. Ever had a muscle lock up so tight it felt like someone was twisting it with a wrench? Yeah, that could be low magnesium. Potassium, on the other hand, helps your muscles contract properly and supports nerve function. If your potassium drops too low, your muscles can feel weak, achy, or even tremble. And it doesn't just affect your legs. Low potassium can mess with your whole body, including your heart. So, how do people end up with low magnesium or potassium? It can happen for a lot of reasons. Maybe you're sweating a lot during the day, especially if it's hot outside. Maybe you've been taking certain medications like diuretics or blood pressure pills, which can flush out these minerals. Or maybe your diet is just low in fresh fruits and veggies, but the fix, it's often surprisingly simple. Let's start with magnesium. Add more leafy greens like spinach and kale to your meals. Snack on almonds, pumpkin seeds, or dark chocolate. Yes, chocolate. That's one mineral-rich treat you don't have to feel guilty about. And don't forget whole grains and beans, which are also magnesium-rich. For potassium, go for bananas, of course, but also avocados, sweet potatoes, oranges, and even coconut water. These are powerhouse foods that taste great and support your muscles. Also, staying hydrated is key. If you're dehydrated, your body flushes out minerals faster and the imbalance gets worse. So keep a water bottle nearby throughout the day. And if you're sweating a lot, consider an electrolyte drink. Just watch the sugar content. If you suspect your levels might be way off, talk to your doctor about a simple blood test. Sometimes a gentle supplement might be needed, but don't jump into supplements without checking first, because too much potassium or magnesium can also cause problems. So next time your legs start cramping, aching, or just feeling off, ask yourself, am I getting enough of the right minerals? Because your body might just be asking for a little more support. You don't have to live with that pain. With a few smart changes, you can bring your body back into balance and get those legs feeling light and strong again. Keep nourishing yourself. You're worth it. Summary. So let's quickly recap what we've uncovered today. If your legs are aching, cramping, or feeling weak, it could be a red flag your body is trying to wave. Don't ignore it. We talked about peripheral artery disease, where blocked arteries silently reduce blood flow to your legs and raise your risk for heart disease. We uncovered how a pinched nerve in your lower back, even without back pain, can send burning, shooting pain straight down your leg. And we explored how a simple electrolyte imbalance, especially low magnesium or potassium, can trigger those mysterious cramps and weakness that sneak up without warning. The best part? Each of these has a natural solution, from walking more and stretching smart to eating foods that restore balance deep within your muscles and nerves. Small steps, big difference. If this helped you understand your leg pain better or gave you hope that healing is possible, don't keep it to yourself. Hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with someone else who might be suffering in silence. And don't forget to drop a comment below. Have you ever struggled with leg pain? What worked for you? Remember, when you know better, you heal better. Take care of your legs. They carry you through life.